Toto giving King a red horse.
I know so much. Yeah, just a glass. You won't be intoxicated with just one glass. The taste is not that strong, but you will drink a lot.
Supportive dad.
It will kick.
Supportive dad.
No, I will take this as evidence against him.
Oh no! Just remember, your tatay tortured and massacred the four of us. So then, next time,
Sa tatay.
massacre him.
The massacrer!
Go, go, go! Dos!
Cheers niyo si King. O, sige, dami-dami tayo si King. Go there. Sa gitna kayo para ma-video ko. Go toast King.
Chanel, Chanel!
Tawagin nyo, toast niyo si King.
Ano ba? Cheers! Ano ba? Toss si King. Toss si King.
Toast niyo si King. O, yan.
Okay, toss si King.